Oh, which item do I make a video of? Ooh, I do like the Crayola crayons. I know I can make a video on. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZBook channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, concerns, any and everything down below. So am I doing this right? If I get the positive over there. Alright. Let's go ahead and close it. Alright. Test it. We just stopped the low battery chirp. You're welcome. But there's a reason for this. And there's a reason for that, too. Yep. Better throw them ears up. So let's talk about fire. More importantly, let's talk about fire safety. You don't want to burn up your PEZ. I mean, look in these price guides at some of the prices on items. It's hundreds of dollars of your hard-earned money for all those versions of VUCO. Look at all these prices. So this is what I would recommend you do. And I know it's really hard to do. Don't just change your batteries, but take time and take these books and call up your local insurance company. Because God forbid something happened to your PEZ collection. What would happen if we lost Donald? Or Geraldine lost her hat? Or we lost Geraldine. Geraldine's irreplaceable. But the PEZ is when you do it the right way. Go ahead, call up your local insurance company that you have all your other insurance with, your homeowner's policy. Use the book, take pictures of what it is you have, and make a little list of how much things are in the book. And then once you're done doing that, you take it to your insurance company. They'll charge you a little extra. But if something happens to your PEZ, it's nice to have a little insurance policy and not have it all go up in flames. So, fire safety, everybody. And also, insure your PEZ. Come on, protect that investment, if that's what you're making it. So yeah, that was a good thing to make a video on, wasn't it? So until next time...